As we begin this new year, some of us are already going through stress. Not because we did not make new year goals, not because we are doing anything wrong, but because life did not come to a standstill. Life did not pause because a calendar changed. Life is still happening. We still have responsibility. We still have bills. We still have challenges. Life is happening. So don't think that, oh, it's just a new year and why am I stressed? Let me be clear though, stress is not a mental health diagnosis. However, stress can exacerbate and induce and negatively impact many mental health issues. So yes, it is the new year. If you're stressed, you want to take care of it. Don't think that, oh, it's just the new year, why am I stressed? I can go through it. Do not break. You're not alone. Let's take care of it before it becomes worse.